Just checking.
Start the journey, guys. Yan, start na ang journey. Happy Wednesday, guys. Yan, ito na si Pelmang, so naka-blue. Number 15.
Let's lock.
Did you twist?
Yeah.
Ito na, guys, ang start namin. Thank you very much. Hello, guys. This is my siblings.
What do you mean siblings? I'm not your sibling. Siblings. Big word.
I'm not sibling.
I'm not sibling.
This is Kat. This is Crystal. Taller than me now, you look.
So where are we going?
We're going to town. Yeah,
Is this the one? Oh, you can also go to that.
yeah. We're gonna go this way.
Yeah,
I know this road.
I know it's here. I was here last year. Last year, like September, like August. It's over here. That's gonna be.
Yeah, we're gonna go that way and then go the way. See? I know.
Yeah, I know too.
It's like
Yeah.
right next.
We're going this way. Because
Yeah.
This way
Where is the
is Liverpool.
one?
Yeah, it's just.
This is town center already.
Yeah, I might as well walk into every fashionable looking shop.
Yeah. Where we gonna go?
Anywhere you want to go.
Where's the Primark?
Hey,
Escape. Light.
lives.
Before I just carry this girl now. She's taller than me now.
I can't reach them.
Yeah, because I'm not. I'm grown.
Yeah.
Yeah.
One day she can pay off a cream there.
Yeah. You know where we are now?
Yeah, so we're gonna go there.
Yeah, that way. It's you missed the cold already. I feel
I don't forget that one. I know this.
bad.
Vans. Potassium. Huh? No. Same.
I want 95. 75.
Okay. Nagtingin nga ako ng t-shirt.
No, I don't like that. Okay.
Here, Mama.
Oh, I thought she was with you.
No. We have a look.
We lost her already.
Yeah, Mom, here. How much this? $30. How about this? Nice. Nice, guys. Nice. All right.
Mine's not very.
And it's like your favorite. Oh, we're done with this stuff now.
Come on, now we're going.
It's like we're done.
Decathlon. Kung gusto mong bumili ng tent dito, mga tent, ang daming mga tent dyan. Gamit sa pang-camping. Gamit sa camping, andito lahat. Dito na tayo sa may Liverpool 1. Liverpool 1. So, dito tayo. Ayan. Dito tayo, guys. Okay, guys. So, andito kami ngayon sa may Liverpool. Hanap kami ng mag-ayos ng cellphone. Kasi papagawa namin yung cellphone ni Mrs. Yung kanyang screen protector. Yan, so dito tayo papasok. Dito. Dito tayo, Dr. Phone. Wow, Dr. sa phone daw. Ito, EE. Yan, so dito tayo. Yan. Pasok tayo dito. So dito, papagawa natin. Yan, ito. Ito ang gumagawa ng mga phone, guys. Yan. This one. How much this one?
10.
What is long time ago, never been changed.
Lot of dust on it.
You got screen protector like this for Samsung S23 Ultra.
S23 Ultra, not the glass one. We have the plastic
Big
paper.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you know the place where I can sell things like that?
Try another shop, maybe.
The text exchange. You can do it.
Yeah. They're taking. Maybe Liverpool one.
Just came from there, so maybe.
Yeah. Try to go downstairs, downside of the road, maybe. And
Nice.
It's okay.
Wow. It's like one now.
Sure.
Oh.
It's good. You need to see.
It's alright. Thank you. Okay guys, so ito na. Nagawa na guys. Ang ganda na. Oh. Bago. Okay. Di ba? Ayos. This is Primark. This is Pandora. Yan. Yan ang Pandora guys. Kita naman ang Tiki Max. Yan. So mag-ikot-ikot lang tayo dito sa may Liverpool 1 guys. Yan. Yan naman ang Clarks. Okay guys, so ito. Dito tayo sa loob ngayon ng Decathlon. Yan o, mga tent guys o. Yan o, gaganda ng mga tent. 99. Ito. Yan. Yan o. Ang daming mga tent dito guys. Puro tent dito. Pang camping. Ito naman yung airbed nila o. Air camping. Ito guys o. Ito guys o. Laki. Wow. Ang ganda. Dilim. Yan. Yan, maganda. Ang daming mga kwan dito guys. Gamit sa pang-camping. Ito mga pang-kwan lang to. Single lang. Single lang ito guys. Ito gamit sa pang-kwan, pagluluto doon sa kung mag-camping ka. Yan, ito pag-initan ng tubig, ganoon. Di ba? Ito ang cup niya, magkape-kape. Ito plato. Yan, marami yan guys. Oh. Ito, oh, ito din. Ito guys, pag-aakyat tayo dito. Pasok tayo dito sa loob. Dito. Ito mga kwan guys, oh. Mga kalo sa kwan, camping. Ito kaputi, hindi ka mabasa. Ganda, tag 24 lang, 15 ito. Ito 8, 8 lang oh. Mura lang. Ito naman ang mga kwan. Battle. Ano naman ito? Ito ko naman kung kuan. Anong gamit nito guys? Ito yung kuan yata, baston. Anong height mo? Ito. Yan o. Yan, para kung maakyat ka. Ito, hiking poles. Yan, ito, hiking poles. Kung mag-akyat ka, ito ang gamit. 2.20 daw. Ang ganda ito guys. Kaya kung mag-akyat ka, di siyempre mayroon kang pangkuan. Yan. Ang ganda guys. Di ba? Ito naman mga torques, ilaw, plus light.
Hi!
Dito. Ito ang ganda. Ito ang ganda. Ang ganda oh. Wow, tag-15 lang. Wow. Sorry. Ang ganda. Tag-15. Ano ba? Oh, this one. Kadami guys. Sawa ka dito. Ito mga kwan. Pang waterproof. Yan o. Ganda. Ito. Ang ganda o. Ang ganyan o. Ito pang winter. Oh, wow. Ano to? drinks. Shoes dito. Dito oh, ang ganda mga shoes. Pang walking. Mura lang. Tag 44. 45. Ito maganda oh. Tag 25. Ito. Ito na mga shoes na pang walking guys. Magagaan lang ito guys. Ganito na shoes. Oh, ang gagaan. Ang gagaan. Pang walk talaga. Ang gagaan. Wala pa siguro 200 grams. Oh. Ang gaan. Grabe. Kagagaan. Ito maganda ito na gamitin kay kuan ka, kitang-kita ka. Tag 19. Yan. Dami. Wow. Ito guys, oh, ang ganda. Ito, oh. Ito, maganda. 1, 2, tatlo. Tatlong tao pwedeng umupo. Gusto ko siya. Ito yung likod. Ang ganda, Ken. We're going up. $800. Ito road bike. Video, Ken. Ito, maganda mga bike guys. Your tennis, Ken. Racket. This one, Ken. 4 years. 21. 19. This one, 54. What racket you are now? This one?
Mine's not on here.
What size you got?
Smaller than that.
So you are not allowed to use this one? Huh? No, what is the normal size you using now?
Inside.
What size? 26?
25.
Yeah, 25 this one.
25 or 24.
That is
24,
that is 25 the one.
I can use this. But that's the same one as my sister.
So not that one then. This one. How about this one? Or this one? This one is good. Okay guys, dito naman kami sa may Primark. Okay, so start ang bili-bili. Saan tayo, Ken? We're going up. Dito na tayo guys sa taas. Yan. Mga clothes. Fitting. Yan. Hello. Dito guys, so dito kami ni Kent sa may ang kintab ng agtang ko guys. Bakit makintab? Okay, ikot-ikot tayo dito guys. Wala sila. Hanap tayo. Hello! Dito, ikot-ikot tayo dito guys. Hanap tayo. No, wala kami guys. Kids clothes here. It's not for your sister. Okay guys, so dito kami, pababa na naman. Galing na kami sa taas, pababa na naman guys. Yan. Yan, ito guys. So, tanaw kami. Hi, bye! Haha! Dito guys, maghanap tayo ng tibak. Tibak ang hanapin natin guys. Ito, tibak. Wala akong tibak. Hanap ako ng tibak. Kasi marami kang madala nito eh. Pag tibak ang hanapin, madali lang. Mura lang guys, ang tibak. Tagpuan lang ako, 450. Tingnan mo, ang liliit. Bulsa-bulsa mo lang. Wala kan. Slipper guys, slipper. Ganda oh, slipper. Tagwa 1 pound lang oh. Ito. Tag 24. Slipper, tag 1 pound. Alright guys, so mamili kami. Magbabayad kami ngayon ng short at saka what do you call this? What do you call this? Tibak. Tibak. Music maestro. Saan tayo magbayad? Dito tayo magbayad ng tibak guys. Ano to?
I've been looking for a screenshot of this ones that I've seen. They look so cute.
Wait.
It is, but they're cracking your phone. There's nothing else to do it, so you need to find a way to get away from the crap on your phone.
Should she take a screenshot every day?
Yeah, do that, yeah.
Try and take a screenshot.
Hold the other one. I'll go there.
You didn't give me one. I literally got 2 pants and a hoodie and boxers, and she put like 5 t-shirts.
Crystal! Crystal here.
It's not content.
Ugh. No, I need to take a giving picture and now I'm gonna record them. Okay, fine.
Natin.
Smile.
Yeah.
Above your head.
Asian pan o Jollibee? Where is, I'll carry the one, Crystal.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Mom, there's a Pandora over there.
Where is Jollibee? You want to go Jollibee
Jollibee's
today?
over that way.
You want to go to Jollibee?
It's up to you.
Ken, where is it, Ken?
School's over. We're going to fish right.
Bubbles. Farm. Oh. Yeah.
Hotel kayo.
Okay guys, dito ko sa may Jollibee ng Liverpool. Ito guys. Yan. Yan siya guys. Yan mga kabili dito sa Liverpool. Jollibee.
Madam, can you please grab some rice?
Well, here's 222. 221. 221. Mine's 221 guys. 221. Yeah, 221.
Thank you so much for your dress today, okay? Would you like cutlery? Would you need cutlery? That's all.
No, it's alright. Thank you.
2, 3, 1!
Koki. Koki guys, Koki. Jollibee. Jollibee. I see. Is that the one?
Wash everything. Too much brain sometimes.